Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yep, it's after July 4th, but today we're gonna go to Chicago. And we're gonna go to Dave & Buster's. That's so exciting because I haven't been to Dave & Buster's Chicago in like years. Last time was like 5 years ago or something. I went to Dave & Buster's in Dallas last month, but we're going to the Chicago one, so it should be lots of fun. Here we go. Well guys, we have came back and it was actually pretty fun going to Dave & Buster's. We also went to IKEA, but it was more fun at Dave & Buster's. It was an incredible experience. Anyways, see y'all. Bye-bye.